If you're a newbie in the note space, you may be wondering how to buy notes. Well, today I'm going to talk about that. Hi, my name is Desi Arnaz, professional investor, and I'm a professional note investor. I started investing in real estate back in 1982 as a landlord and property flipper, and I liked it. I didn't love it, but I liked it. I certainly enjoyed flipping more than I did being a landlord. As a matter of fact, I didn't like being a landlord, but what I did like about it was the cash flow, right? I collected rent every month. But here's something that's interesting. I want you to think about this. When a landlord collects the rent every month, that money really doesn't belong to the landlord, does it? I mean, it probably belongs to the plumber or the gardener or the property manager or the tax man, and certainly a chunk of it belongs to the bank because they got to pay their mortgage payment, right? How about rather than collecting rent so that you can pay all these other people, how about just collecting interest? That's what banks do, and that's what note investors do. I started doing that myself back in 2013, and I haven't regretted it one bit. I stopped being a landlord and started being a lender, collecting interest rather than rent. It's a far better option. I find that I have a lot more time on my hand. I don't have nearly as many headaches because I don't have to deal with tenants and toilets and trash, right? Or in taxes. It's not my issue. I collect interest every single month, or I get the property. Those are the two things that will happen for me. When I buy a mortgage from a bank and I start collecting the monthly payments, and by the way, I don't personally have to collect those payments. I have a servicing company that does that for me, and then they just take a small fee and send me the difference. But when I do that, all I've got to do with that money is put it in my pocket. I don't have to use it to pay for a plumber or for an electrician or for a gardener or anything else. It's mine. It's interest and it's all mine. It's a great way to get cash flow, passive income, great return, and safety. Now, if you don't really understand note investing, one of the first things that you should do, in my opinion, is you should head on over to noteinvestingfornewbies.com and download our free mini course. In the mini course, you can learn all about investing in mortgage notes, and you can do it for free. Now, the mini course is normally $197, but we're giving it away for free right now. So just head on over there, download the course, and study it. After you've gone through the course, you may have a question or two, and if you do, feel free to call me up and I'll be happy to speak with you about it. But you'll also know enough at that point to want to buy something, perhaps. And if you do want to buy something, our company does offer mortgage notes for sale. And if you want to learn even more, we also have a full-on training at the Note Investor University. You can learn more about that at noteinvestingfornewbies.com. So at the end of the day, if you want to learn how to buy notes, it starts by understanding the space, right? The note investing space. And so that's what I want to help you to do. I want to help you understand the space. Warren Buffett once said, invest in what you understand. I couldn't agree more. Most people invest their money in the stock market, even though they don't really understand the stock market. So what they do is they give their money to someone that does understand the stock market, like a financial planner or a stockbroker, and they say, here, please don't lose my money. And all I'm saying is, if you want to do that, that's fine, but there is another option, and you should consider putting at least some of your money into this new and much safer investment space called note investing. Because in this space, you'll either get paid with interest or you get the real estate, which is far more valuable even than the money that you paid for the note. So you're in a very safe position. To learn more, as I said, head on over to noteinvestingfornewbies.com, download the course. It's free right now. Study the course. If you have questions, call me. My name is Desi Arnaz, professional investor, and I just want to say God bless you guys, and thank you for watching.